So good morning guys. I'm currently driving to Auto Bavaria Jalan Tun Razak, which is nearest to me. Being a first time BMW owner, you have done enough survey on the internet. You will hear a lot of horrible stories about BMW Service Center. So I am quite skeptical about the experience I'm getting. So this time I'm going to get the service center to check on my headlight. As I have explained earlier, my left hand side headlight, the LED ring appears to be slightly yellowish compared to my right hand side. I'm not sure whether it's normal, so I'm hoping that they can give me an explanation or a fix. And another thing is that I did wheel balancing once, and I managed to lift up the car, and I have managed to also check the undercarriage. So I found that there could be some missing screws, because there are holes that are left without screws on the undercarriage cover. So I just also want to get the service center to check for me whether it's a missing screw or it's meant to be empty or vacant. And yeah, these are the two two issues that I want to address. So back to the service center story. Yeah, there are a lot of BMW dealers in Klang Valley, but you hear a lot of BMW owners complaining about this dealer, complaining about that dealer, how shitty their work is and things like that. So I don't know, and I'm hoping that this Auto Bavaria Jalan Tun Razak will give me a good pleasant experience as a first time BMW owner. So but one thing about BMW Service Center is that they don't entertain walk-in. So whatever you want to do, you have to make appointment, and the waiting period is easily 3 weeks. 3 weeks to a month. And unless there's a emergency breakdown, you can send in your car directly to the service center. But for other stuff, including routine maintenance, you need to make appointment, and the waiting period is easily 3 weeks. So yes, I made a call and I made my appointment 3 weeks ago. So let's see about it. Service appointment? Park here. Okay. Where? Front. Yeah. Okay, so guys, found out a few things about my car. So my car previously had an accident, and they got the headlight and also the front bumper changed, and that is why the LED ring color of my headlight is different from left and right. My driver's side is whitish, very bright, very white, and the left hand side is yellowish. So I suppose that the new headlight is on the driver's side and the old one is on the left hand side. So it's not broken, it's not faulty, and I'm not entitled for warranty claim. But it's okay to find out that the car had an accident before, but at least it's fixed and carried out. The repair work was carried out by Auto Bavaria, the authorized dealer in Glenmarie. So okay, there's no problem with the headlight now. And about the undercarriage missing screw, yes, there are some holes that are meant to be empty or vacant, but there's one missing screw and they managed to put it back for me. Okay, so the case is closed again. But there's one more thing that just happened recently. There's some squeaky sound behind, and it only happened during cold start, and then after I drive the car for a while, the noise will go away. The noise is like kick, 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 something like that. And I also asked the service center to check for me, and not surprising, they couldn't detect the noise, and they are kind enough to ask me to come and test the car together, and we cannot reproduce the noise. So the only thing that I can think of is I will just live with it for now. Wait until the noise is getting very obvious and very frequently, then I'll send the car back to check, because the car is still under warranty. It is no point to send the car out for outside workshop to fix it. And according to the service advisor, they cannot simply open up the tires and the suspension, all those things, if they don't detect the noise. So I have to make sure that they can hear the noise before they can open up the car to check the part inside. So I also spoke to my friends in the WhatsApp group, and one of them told me that he faced a similar problem before, and he could not he sent to the service center. They could not check the problem as well, and eventually he went to change his suspensions, and then he also found out the problem is it's actually a worn out absorber mounting. So I'm not sure whether mine is the same problem with his, so I'll just live with it for now until the noise is getting more frequent or more obvious. Then I'll come back again. So I guess that's it today for my experience with the BMW Auto Bavaria Service Center in Jalan Tun Razak. Overall experience is quite pleasant. very polite service advisor. But the most important thing is that you have to make appointment before coming in, and everything will work out smoothly. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride and drive safe. Bye.